Eastview families. This week's big idea is forgive, and we've learned the story of Joseph and how when his family, his brothers came to Egypt, that Joseph had a choice to forgive or not forgive his brothers, and he chose to forgive them. And you can talk to your family for this activity about maybe something that someone has done or said to hurt them. It might have been a brother that hit them, or maybe it was someone who said mean words to them. And we can talk about how we have the choice to forgive that person, and that's what God wants us to do. So for the first activity, you would need a Band-Aid, one for each family member, and a marker. And on the Band-Aid, you'll simply just write the word forgive. And you'll talk about maybe those things that were hurtful or done to that family member, and then you can just simply take the Band-Aid and place it somewhere on their hand or arm, and just talk to them about how when someone hurts us, that God wants us to forgive, and that helps make the relationship better with God and the relationship better with that person that hurt us. Okay, the second activity is a bit more active, and you're going to need either, you could do this with balloons, maybe blow up about 5 balloons and have those ready to go, or you could do it with a variety of balls. They just need to be kind of bigger, so when you try to carry a lot, it'll be hard to do. And you'll talk to your kids about, like, say each of these balls or balloons represents something that someone did us that hurt us, like maybe our sister said something mean to us, or a friend broke a promise, or whatever that may be. And you'll have about 5 balls, and each one of them represents something that was done to us to hurt us. Now, what you'll do is you'll talk to the kids about when we hold on to all those things that people did to us and we refuse to forgive them for those things they did to us, it can make our lives really hard, and doing other things really hard, and make it hard for us to love others. So you'll give the kids the balls, that they'll have like a handful of them, and challenge them to either run across the yard, or maybe do some simple activity like going up the stairs without dropping any of the balls. And you can just do several games with that, give everybody a chance, and then come back and talk to them about when we hold on to so much unforgiveness, it makes things in our lives so much harder. And that's why God wants us to forgive, because he knows that frees us up, and it frees us up to love others and to live the life that we're meant to live. And that's it for this week, and we hope we see you next week.